3. In this video, I'll show you how to add a discount code in Shopify. First, open your web browser and sign into your Shopify admin dashboard. From the left menu, click Discounts. Next, click Create Discount. Choose Discount Code if you want customers to enter a code during checkout. Now, enter the discount code you want customers to use. Then choose the type of discount, such as a percentage off, a fixed amount off, free shipping, or a buy X get Y offer. After that, configure the discount details. Set the discount value, choose which products or collections are eligible, and decide whether the discount applies to all customers or specific customer groups. Next, set the usage conditions. You can add a minimum purchase requirement, limit the number of times the discount can be used, restrict it to 1 use per customer, and choose the start and end dates for the promotion. Finally, review all of your settings and click Save. Test the discount code by adding eligible products to your cart and entering the code during checkout to make sure it works correctly. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to add a discount code in Shopify. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to subscribe to Learn Mode Lab for more tutorials.